Hey there, travelers. Here it's Kyle from Via Travelers, where we talk about all things travel gear and travel products. Today we're going to look at the Rainfly, which is Peak Design's outdoor cover for outdoor backpacks from 20 liters to 30 liters. Here's what it comes in the packaging. As you can see, a nice tag, and then a little showcase of how it works on top of a backpack, which I will show you in this video today. So here's what you get when you order the Rainfly. Not much, very minimalist design. It's only 93 grams in weight, very compact, so it's not gonna take up a lot of space given that it is just an accessory. That's super important when packing, right? You don't wanna be bogged down just by accessories alone. So excellent design, and then with anything Peak Design, you get a lifetime warranty, and the volume is 30 liters, and the carrying in total is 73. So the packaging in total, 93 grams. The weight of just Rainfly alone is 73.5 grams. So let me unfurl this out of its packaging. You can see a nice little zipper and carrying case. This also, the latches, as you can see out here, super essential with any design product, can be latched and attached to the outside of any backpack or duffel bag, duffel pack. All Peak Design products have that. So you take it out. As you can see, it's attached. And if you've seen our video about the tote, it has an excellent design where this kind of will come, basically the pouch itself is attached and part of the actual Rainfly. So then if you unfurl it in total, looks like just basically a plastic bag, and I'll zoom out as I show you more of the product. Nice minimalist design here, just with the logo right in the middle of the rain cover. And then before I zoom out and show you how to actually put this on a backpack and how it looks on top of a backpack, you can see here, this is a nice mesh lining, and I'll zoom in just a little bit. So then it's interior in here, and you can put things within this mesh liner, which is also what holds the Rainfly itself. All right, so here I have the Peak Design everyday backpack that's 30 liters in the Coyote color line. And to put on the Rainfly, it is very, very simple. It's literally designed for the everyday backpack, so it's very simple. Just attaches right on the outside, as you can see here. And then it's a little loose, obviously, given the flexibility. And so you just turn it over to the other side, and as you can see here, you have a pull to tighten. It gets a little snug, slippery on the outside, but you just pull it tight, maintain it around the edges. And as I had mentioned before, the pouch is here on the back end. And there you go. You have it fully designed on the outside here. Very sleek, minimal design. Let me straighten this out a bit. But clean, not too much branding. It is a little hard to get this kind of perfectly snug. As you can see, there's some loose parts on the top here. But as you know, if you had more of a full backpack, this would probably give it some extra space. Okay, one thing, if you look closely, there is a bit of a breathable top to this. I'm not entirely sure the purpose of why you'd have that. It does leave the backpack open to rain exposure or water exposure through this top, so you do need to be careful still with this as a result of it. I would have preferred to just see this be as a clean sort of nylon exterior without any exposure, because if you're someone like me that travels with a lot of electronics and photography gear, I want as much coverage as possible, particularly if it's going to be raining heavy or you live in a city like Amsterdam, a rainy city. Yeah, if you're traveling with your laptop, I want coverage during those monsoon type weather days. So let's give this a test in terms of the water. And so we'll put some water on here, and this is a nylon, 200D nylon, and it's stretchable. And so it's supposed to be extremely, extremely waterproof. So let's put it to the test and see what happens. So if you've seen our review of the everyday backpack for the Coyote color line, we did put water on that as well, and that resisted the water quite well, and it didn't stain the exterior. So that's a good sign of the backpack itself. And so then if you have the exterior lining, even better. So let's try to put some water on the top. As you can see, it instantly spreads out and dissolves, and you can see the water spots. Let's zoom in. So here you can see how the water has dissipated and spotted across the backpack. Yeah, so as you can see, it slides off right away. And great to see how it just dissipates across. And so if you wipe it, it resists it quite well.